Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with TGG. All right, thanks to Taste of Home, they gave us the top air fryer recipes of 2020. And there's 50 of them. We're not going to go through every one, but get to the site, check it out. For example, number one comes in with the fried pickles, air fried pickles, that is. Get the recipe, and there it is right there. Boom, you get right to it. We're not going to go through every one of these things, but number two coming in at fried chips. Got some breaded chicken, fish and chips, Nashville hot chicken, homemade cookies, egg rolls. As you guys can see, there's all kinds of stuff. Sorry I'm blowing through this stuff. There's southern fried chicken, beans. There's some raviolis. There's 50 of these things. Like I said before, you click on, there's some apple fritters. Click on the recipe. It shows you how to use it. There's no sidestepping. There's no side commercial. It jumps right into your actual recipe. And give it a shot. There's 50 of them. They all look delicious. Give it a try. Cook fresh, cook often, and keep cooking with TGG.